kidding me?
We don't even like the real you. We're watching the fake you.
Sorry, Tyler. Oh, hey, he's drinking the Tula Dip.
Cheers.
Hey, cheers! Hey!
They're talking about spark plugs going in your exhaust.
We don't know what you're talking about.
Future videos to come, we're gonna make a flamethrower. That's not what today's video is about. Right, boys? We're not talking about flamethrowers today?
Not today, no. We're gonna do other flaming cool stuff.
We're gonna blow up Tyler's car.
It's already blown up, it's fine.
Wow, you guys are dicks. Okay, while these two goons sit on the couch and watch stupid videos about how to make your car shoot flames, we're gonna be doing what you guys have been asking for so long. More Genesis content.
You got 2 hoopties out there.
We do have 2 hoopties out there. Hoopty number 1 and hoopty number 2. Look at both of these guys monster trucking. Okay, well, as most of you guys know, I installed the TECCracing kit, turbo kit on my car a few years back, and since then I've changed a whole bunch of parts out. One of which that has not been changed out, which is the most significant part that I had the most issues with, is the manifold. And why haven't I changed the manifold? Because there aren't any other top mount turbo manifolds that are readily available for the Genesis Coupe anymore. CPE no longer makes theirs, and it's hard to get your hands on some of them. So today what we're doing, if you guys recall from last time I worked on this manifold, the bolt was stuck in there. It's still stuck in there. I never got it out. So I've been running on 3 bolts. It keeps blowing out the gaskets. So finally, I've had these parts for months. We're actually working on this thing, pulling off the manifold. Getting it cut in this video? Probably not. We're probably just removing the manifold, and then we'll meet back after I've taken it to a shop, got the mount cut off, welded a new mount on, and then we're installing everything back inside the car and making boost again. Full boost, not just partial boost. Like I've been running for the past 7 months. Are you guys seriously trying to...
We're researching.
Researching what?
Researching how to your car. We're usually pretty good at it, but sometimes we need help. So I asked these guys to come over today and party, grab a couple drinks. I asked them
Exactly what we're doing.
I asked them to do a drinking challenge with me. Comment down below, like this video right now. Let me know if you guys want to see us do this challenge. For every bolt that we remove on the car, one person will take a shot, and we'll continue to keep doing that until somebody blacks out.
It's not even your house.
It's not my house.
Yeah, how am I gonna get home? The fuck?
That's not my issue.
Oh, thanks.
It's just a great video. Comment down below if you guys think we should do it. If you want to see Kyle blacked out, you want to see Junior blacked out, or if you want to see me. Who's your bet on? Who do you think would black out first?
That's a good one.
What?
I don't know. Well, you're the lightest
I'm a
of us
lightweight.
all, so
I'm lightweight.
I don't know if it goes through fat guys faster or not. I don't know. We'll see.
Are you calling me fat too?
Yes.
Come on, you're supposed to help me unbolt this and take a shot every
Pop the
bolt we
hood,
take
grab
off.
some tools. We'll help eventually.
All right. Here we go. All right, let's get this thing off.
Shaky's Pizza?
That's free.
Oh, Shaky's Pizza is good.
I don't know. I've never heard of a shake.
Shaky's is
You
good.
never had Shaky's Pizza before?
Dude, this guy never been to California Adventure, never had California Pizza Kitchen, never had Shakey's. Just fucking go home.
Maybe I will, man.
Patrick Star?
Who the f is Patrick Star?
Oh my god, you don't-
Lives under a rock.
Lives
Literally.
under a hood in a garage. You're doing a great job.
Who's doing a great job?
I got him. I saved for you. It went right out his nose. I hide behind you because he's taking a dumb video right now. Dumb video alert. Dumb video alert. What? Are you gonna take this off or what?
Yeah, I'm taking this off. Or you?
You're slow. You're going slowly.
You've seen it all over YouTube. Drunk questions, drunk Q&A. The first ever drunk taking apart a 450 wheel horsepower
Well,
Genesis
right now
Coupe.
it's like 250.
Yeah, because it's disconnected.
Maybe less.
Hey, this is Junior. Okay, so you guys obviously know I gotta take this turbo off, gotta get the turbo bolts. I already had the flange off for the exhaust, the 2 coolant lines, and then pretty much I just gotta get the oil lines off.
This is gonna be a really bad video.
It's not, it's gonna be good. Shameless plug, where are my keys?
No shameless plug. It's not shameless
Genesis.
anymore. Just shut your mouth.
Everybody here loves Genesis stuff. Shameless plug! For all you Genesis guys, we have our Gen Gang V2 key tags. It says Gen Gang on the front, hashtag respect the build on the back. We have them in red and in black. If you click the link in this right-hand corner, take you right to him.
He still hasn't given me one. Don't buy one until he gives me one.
Can you not put your head in this?
Anyway.
Can we finish this today?
Fine. Here.
All right. You've taken off 4 bolts. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. What are you doing?
Fine. Fine. You guys were supposed to be here to help, not to help me procrastinate.
We've been standing here next to you, asking you to finish up.
Are you?
It's right there.
You're drinking my cup.
I don't know. You handed it to me. It's right there.
This is my cup.
That
Your
sucks
cup.
to suck.
God, this guy's drinking my drink.
Sucks to suck. You're looking at the cameras the wrong way.
It doesn't autofocus on the...
It was right there.
Turn it
You
the other way. Turn it.
You handed it to me, so this is the one I'm drinking. Sucks to suck.
I was given the coolest penis cup.
It's the fidget spinner.
It's called the Chode. Can you... The Chode.
It's a fidget spinner.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get demonetized for sure. Man.
I almost spilled my Chode on me.
I'm done.
I had it way up here. As I was going in, I was tilting the cup. Are you looking at the TikTok ladies on here?
No, Instagram.
Oh, it's got a black screen. I can't see it.
Oh, do they have a privacy screen?
Dick. Who has a privacy screen?
Me.
Unless you're really trying to cheat on something.
I'm not trying to cheat. I work around a lot of nosy people. I work around a lot of
So
people.
are you doing like YouTube?
No, I'm not.
Red?
No.
Well,
hey, you got it now. YouTube Red.
at work?
No. Think about it. YouTube Red.
YouTube Red?
You porn.
Red tube.
Oh, Red Tube?
Yeah, about
I don't even.
dude. Come on, get it.
I don't even know what Red Tube is, bro.
Oh my god. You
I
live under a rock?
Thank you. Appreciate it, Junior. Appreciate it.
You knew what Red Tube was?
Yeah, I get it.
This one is.
Is it that loose right now?
I just took off all the bolts.
And it's not moving?
No, because it's connected to the intercooler still, so I'm going to take off this coupler. And then we can pull the turbo off.
This is a great table. It's about all this is worth. Table. Do you need to put your drink down?
Nope,
To the
I'm good.
table.
Table.
Hey, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thanks. We got the Shakey's pizza.
Thank you, guys.
All right,
Appreciate it.
Devour. Time to.
I'm
That's
excited.
heavy.
Yeah.
That's some heavy
It's a lot
pizza
of
right there.
That's a heavy pizza.
We don't have a table? I found a table.
Perfect table.
Put it in here.
Instant 1,000 horsepower.
69 horsepower, you mean?
69, there you go.
All right, I'm gonna leave now. So we have now been drinking, and we got some bomb-ass pizza, and we are now about to throw up probably, but the turbo is ready to come off, I think. Oh, look at that.
Oh, actually, it's still attached.
Let me down once again, Tyler. All right, so it is now 3:30 in the daytime, and what have we accomplished, Tyler?
We've taken off the turbo.
No, you have not. It's still sitting right there.
It's pretty close.
Because you're using a cheap-ass Craftsman tool set. Where's your real
Craftsman is
tools?
not cheap. They have a lifetime warranty.
Only from Lowe's now.
It used to be.
Sears is
dead.
Maybe you have better. Yeah, Harbor Junk. It's Harbor Freight. We want them to sponsor us with new.
Yeah, it's Harbor Freight.
Sorry,
Come on, we already.
We need new stools.
We need.
Oh, look at that. Junior's getting his hands dirty. Oh, yeah. It's all good. So, we'll come back to you when you get some more bolts out. Oh, look at the strength. I had to use 2 hands for that one.
Yeah, no PV.
That's what she said. No? Not a good one? All right.
No, I don't like that one.
All right, bye. Bye.
This is a fitting shirt for me to be wearing after this video. Support your local brewery. Alright, so update. Junior has our manifold. His cousin is welding it out. We also have some very special things that you guys do not want to miss. So subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll catch you guys in the next video. here's that intro clip of me flying my drone for work and crashing it into a tree.